Good morning. I'm Dr. Sujatha, working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics, Bellalur College for Women. So I want to take a topic, introduction of fundamentals of data analytics. Okay, now I want to say about that. What do you mean by data? So data is nothing but everywhere data is there. So it's a raw facts. But nowadays we are having a lot of volumes of data. So here we want to know about what is data mining. First of all, we have to know about the data mining is nothing but that is we have to knowledge discovery from the data. What is the patterns we have to need? We have to just accept all the data from the particular patterns. Okay, so here data analytics means that is we are having a lot of data, volumes of data. So using data analytics, we have to make a decisions and predicting trends. That's why we have to analyze the data. Before going that, what is data analytics? So data analytics it is used to find patterns and insights. Nowadays we are using a lot of industries like healthcare, finance and marketing. Lot of data analytics techniques we are using. So here main techniques we are just saying here that first of all we have the data. It is a lot of noise and inference. So first of all we have to clean the data and then we have to organize and visualizing the data. That is the main concepts we have to do. Before that we have to know that what is the types of data analytics. So there is a different types over there. So we have to just giving the descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics and prescriptive analytics. So first of all, what do you mean by the descriptive analytics? Means what happened in that particular. So we have to just know about the descriptions about that. So why did it happen? That is a diagnosis in the particular data. Why we have to come to the predictions. We have to know about that. Why did it happen? And after diagnose that, we have to just go to the step. That is what will happen if the predictive analysis. That is in the predictions. We have to know that. Okay, what should we have to done? That is also the last step. And what are the key steps in data analytics? We are having a lot of steps, lot of phases in that particular data analytics. That is first of all we have to collect the data. Next, after collecting, there is a lot of we have noise inferences and errors we have to face. So next we have to come to the cleaning the data. That is now remove errors in that. And next we have to identify patterns and trends. Which pattern you have to want, you have to exploration the data from that. Okay, so after explanations which pattern you want, you have to analyze the data. That's why we have to use a lot of statistical techniques are there. After that, if you want clear explanations for that, we have to give in a visualization part. So we have to just go to the data visualization in the next step. That is, we have to use in a present data using charts and graphs. And if you are going to the visualization and you have to visualize the data's output, automatically we have to come to the decision making. What is the patterns we got, what is the insights and the strategies we are having, we have to just know about that using the data visualization and interpretation. So in that particular, we have to just know about what are the common tools in data analytics. There is a lot of tools we are using for the data analytics, but main tool we are some examples I am just giving here. That is, we have to use we want Excel. That is in a simple data analysis task. We want to do the Excel analysis. We have to do using an Excel, and for storing the data, we have to want a database. That is, we have to use an SQL. There is a lot of databases, or you have to use anything. And Python and R we are using for statistical analysis and machine learning. So there is a very good common tool for data analytics. And if you want a data visualization, Tableau and Power BI, we have to use for that. So for everything or any analysis we have to use a Google Analytics. That is the common tools we have to use nowadays, recent trends. Particularly, why data analytics is important? Because before we are having very small amount of data, but now we are having a huge amount of data. So it is very difficult job to find out the decision making and problem solving. That's why we have to analyze the data. So we have to use a lot of statistical. Automatically we have to come to the conclusions that. So there is the main concept of data analytics actually. So it is informed decision making. There is reduces guesswork and improving efficiency and predicting trends and competitive advantages. For everything we have to come to the knowledge about that what is the output we have that is the knowledge it will be given through the data analytics. So in a conclusion, I want to say that is data analytics is crucial for business and individuals. But if you are not knowing, understanding is also very important, and statistical methods, mathematical knowledge should be very important. That so if you are having a mathematical knowledge, automatically you have to just go to the data analytics is the easy one, and understanding and applying analytics can unlock new insights. And we have to now use a lot of data analytics tools and techniques today for exploring data. So thank you so much